Hi viewers, welcome back to MasterJSkills. I was getting a lots of requests for Spring Security tutorials and we are going to learn about the Spring Security from now. So I'm not able to cover complete tutorial in one video. I'll be making some separate parts. So in each of the part, we will start it from the basic to advanced tutorial about the Spring Security. So if you are new to MasterJSkills and eager of learning Java and J2EE, then please subscribe to MasterJSkills and press the bell icon to get all the notification. And if any of your friends or family members are eager in learning Java and J2EE, then please share with them. Without making much delay, let's understand what is a Spring Security. Before jumping into the Spring Security, let's understand from the basics. Let's understand what is a security, why it's required. So security is required for each and everything, whether we are going for online software or offline our daily routine as well. Let's understand what is security with an example in general. So if you are a owner of a house, then it belongs to you. So whatever there inside the house or a home, it belongs to you or owner of the house. So house may contain TV, fridge, sofa, furnitures or gold or any costliest things or the money itself. So everything belongs to the owner. So if there is a no security, like there is a no gate, there is a no door, window, there is a no calling bells, there is a no security tracker, CCTV camera, or these all are different types of security we are providing to the house. So if there is a no security like a door or a lock, then anybody can come inside and steal the things, or anybody can come and use your space or a owner space. So to secure our things, to secure our space, so for security purpose we have built some of the barriers like door, doorbell, gate and CCTV camera, window, secured gates. So these all are different kinds of a security we are providing it to the house or a home. Like how we are securing our own house, like that only we have to secure our application. So anybody can come and enter into the application and they can easily steal our data, and they can easily hack our data. So to secure the application, we need some security. So for security, there are some features. Those are authentication, authorization and filter. These three are main security features. So these features are very important to understand each of them. To understand the Spring Security, it's a very important to understand the Spring's features. So these three features are very important. So let's understand each one of them one by one. So you can see a simple diagram here, authentication and authorization. So to authenticate, it asks like who are you. So let's understand with a previous example. So if anybody comes and rings the bell, so we are directly not opening the door, we are confirming who came outside. To confirm who came outside, we will be either looking in the camera or looking into the small mirror or a window. We will confirm who are they. So that is called a authentication. If you know the person, then so you authorize them and give the permission to enter into the house. Exactly like that, we will be authenticating, logging with the username and password by asking who are you. So if they are a valid registered user, then we will give the authorization permission, like what permission do you have. This is how the security will work in the application. Let's understand in deep about authentication, authorization and filter one by one. Upcoming videos. So if you have any doubts related to this video, then please comment in the comment box. I'll make sure to clear all your doubts. So if you really learned anything from this video, then please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to MasterJSkills, please subscribe to MasterJSkills and press the bell icon to get all my updates. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.